my coffee maker. Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own cilantro lime rice, just like the stuff you get from the big monster restaurant chain. But this stuff is fresh, from scratch, super inexpensive, and so delicious. Ah, you're going to like this one. All right, y'all, let's cook. We got a family to feed. All right, we're starting our cilantro lime rice with rice. In here I've got 1 cup of rice and then 2 cups of water, and then I took 1 tablespoon of water out, right? So you're going just short of 2 for 1. You can go ahead and use 2 to 1 if you want to, but I think the rice turns out a little fluffier, less mushy, if you get just a little scant. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of kosher salt right in here. If you're working on the stove top, you're gonna go bring that to a boil, cover it, let it barely simmer until all your water is absorbed, which is about 18 minutes. We're just gonna let our rice cooker do the work, and in the meantime, we're gonna get our other ingredients ready. All right, so we did what? We're waiting on our rice. Waiting on the rice to finish cooking, so if you hear this really obnoxiously shrill, screamy beep, that's the rice cooker. And I juiced 1 lime, just squeezed it, okay? And this is about 1 cup of cilantro. We happen to, and by we I mean me, love cilantro, which if you don't, make this dish, use fresh parsley. Okay, you'll still get a really nice, bright, fresh flavor, but you don't have that soapy thing that happens for those that, you know, it's a genetic predisposition. If you don't like cilantro, it's genetic. And for those folks, they cannot help it, so don't fuss at them. It tastes like soap. So you can do parsley, and you can have a lot of that bright, fresh, green flavor that is so wonderful about cilantro, but you won't have that soap thing, right? Now, I happen to love fresh cilantro. I don't get soap. I get yummy. But make it to suit yourself and your guests. Okay, so that 1 cup of cilantro reduces by about 2/3. Okay. All right, we're just gonna let that sit there. We're waiting on our rice to cook. So this is a lot of no effort, is what this is. Okay, here we go. Our rice is ready. Oh, it's springtime. Hear the birds. I love it. It makes me happy. All right, so we're just turning our rice out into a big old bowl. We're gonna try not to squish it. Don't squish your rice. I had a rice paddle. I had a rice paddle, which is just a big flat implement that just helps you work with rice without squishing it. And it was really cute. The handle was shaped like a squirrel. I melted it in my dishwasher. Dang it. All right, so here we go. That's our cooked rice. And to that, this is so fast and easy, y'all. I made this once for a church camp. I had 250 kids. It went through a 20-pound of rice. 20-pound bag of rice, or whichever. They did that. They ate that. All right, and then our lime juice right over the top. So I'm starting with half, so it would be the juice of half a lime, and then we're going to taste and see what we've got. And my neighbor's dog, of course. Okay, so that is how fast and easy that is. All right, let's make sure we are seasoned correctly. We used a little salt when we were cooking our rice, remember? Oh my God, that's good. Nope, that's perfect. That's exactly the way you want it. Let me show you better. Okay, you see that? All the grains are nice and fluffy and loose, and you have enough cilantro in there to really well season it, but not to the point where it's just overwhelming. And it is out of this world, y'all. Don't go to that big expensive place. Make it for yourself at home. And then you can have it all the time. Yes. You're welcome. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. And if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.